Have you ever wondered if a Game Boy Advance with this screen damage could be fixed? That's exactly what we will find out together in this video.
So guys, and here it is. The Game Boy Advance with the weird, is it screen burn? I'm not sure. But it looks bubbly, so I hope that it's a polarization filter. So you have to know that every LCD screen have a layer that breaks the light in a specific way that you can see the image. And I think this foil is damaged. But let's see what's happening. Well, let's first talk about the price. First of all, this device I got from a friend of mine that was in Japan. That's why you see this strange, weird price tag over here that stated 7,000 yen. Let's check it out what it is. Okay, let's see. 7,000 yen. So it's around $44. So not that cheap, not that pricey either, but yeah, you tell me. Okay, so with that being said, let's put some batteries in and see what it does. I mean, you see, it is dirty. It's not very clean, and the overall appearance is, not very good. I mean, here you got all the scratches over the screen protector in general. Yeah, but nothing major. But yeah, I mean, it cost $44. So, but let's see. Put this in here and here. Yeah, we'll leave it for now. And turn it on. We hear the tune and we see the logo, so it works. But what about a game? You also grabbed some Japanese Nintendo Game Boy game for 180 bucks, yen bucks. Yeah, I mean, yeah, why not? 180 yen. Let's see what this is. 180 yen. Yeah, that's $1.14, so that's much cheaper. Let's open it up and check it out. What that? Not sure what that means. Maybe someone can read it. And no, I'm not gonna try to use my translator for this now. I do need something to cut. This is the game. Gileco. I think that's the title. Can't read Japanese, unfortunately. Let's throw it in and see what it does. And let's blow the cartridge. I mean, why not? The blast from the past. And yeah. Presented by, okay, let me try to find a view angle for you that will work. Yeah, okay, I mean, I can't see something on the screen. And the screen in general seems to work, but with the bubbling foil, you can't see much. Okay, well, I mean, it's a good sign. The device works, and we can play a game, and yeah, the button seems to work also fine. Of course, I have not tried any button yet, but we will see. And if I'm correctly, I have these Polarizer laying around for a long time. I'm not sure why I bought it, but let's see if this Polarizer will work. I mean, you see it's much too big, so we have to cut it to the right size. But yeah, let's see if we are able to dismantle the screen to replace the foil, or maybe I will just kill the whole device. Let's find out. As always, let me start the timer for you, that you get a better feeling how long it takes me to destroy this, repair this device. Let's try to be a little bit more organized. I will first go with the auto screws. Okay. This on the first tray. Then we do have 2 more screws over here. Maybe I have to say I wasn't in a Game Boy Advance before, so, and I haven't looked it up beforehand, so yeah, I hope that I'm not doing something wrong now. Just checking if those screws are the same as before, but it seems so. So I put them all in one compartment. Yeah. And we have 1 Phillips screw on the bottom. And let's use, what's that? A J-O bit. Yep, it works. I'll put it here and hope that I will remember it. You might know that I also got this iFixIt, organization writing mat. But to be honest, I'm a bit lazy to sketch it out now, so I try to do it without. Okay, I think all screws are out. Let's see. Oh, what a beauty. No ribbon cables to be removed. Oh, no ribbon cables needs to be removed first. It just lifts. Nice. Was this really the production quality of old Nintendo devices? What? If someone knows this, please tell me. I mean, yeah, I think so, but why would I don't, doesn't make sense that this, and this would have been replaced, doesn't it? Yeah, anyway. The screen unit. So let's see. Let's remove this ribbon cable. Grab a spatula and push these little knobs out. Like so. Let's try to work the ribbon cable. Wow, it's extremely shiny. I like. Ooh. Maybe have a look. Wow, that's extremely shiny. What else? Okay, let's get these buttons out here. I see 2 screws. I think this is it. So let's get them out. The on-off switch, and we can lift it. We say we see grime from the last, I don't know, 20 years or so. Just sits on here. Interesting. Yeah, anyway, let's put this to the side too. Give them a good scrub later. That's the speaker. Get more membranes.
Insane in the membrane. Insane, got no brain.
And more buttons. Okay, here is the screen. So I would assume that this one is glued. What I will do is, use my hot air gun or hot air soldering station and put it on the low settings. That's 100 degrees C. Try to warm the area a bit. You could also use a hairdryer. I think it doesn't matter. It's just for loosening the adhesive a bit. And you can see I can really safely put my hands here for, yeah, a relatively long period of time. Of course it's getting warm, but I think I won't hurt anything here. That's boring, isn't it? Yeah, sometimes repairing is just boring.
What?
Or meditative. I mean, I could think now about so many things. Peace. Rock and roll. Making love. Okay. Let's see if this was enough. And what can we use? Let's use maybe this spatula. Can I get in there? Nope, I can't. Let's use one of these cards. Maybe I can get in between. Nope, I can't. Then let's use this little tool here. I think it's called the Jimmy. Maybe it's easier to remove this first. Oop, okay. I hope that I haven't damaged something right now. Yeah, let's try just to try it out. Now I will get out of this with this tool here. I think, oh, sure. Using a pick could also be a good way to get into this. Yeah, maybe I should have used this one. Yeah. Don't use this from the beginning, just use a pick. That was stupid. Now we just wiggle it out. Or at least that's my idea. Okay, that's the screen glue. Yep. And we got it out. Okay, let's remove the adhesive here. Yeah, and now we can really get see the, yeah, bubbles. Hopefully I haven't damaged something right now. Maybe we should try first to power it on before doing anything else. So it's like this. This very shiny ribbon cable goes back into the spot over here. Nice. We'll lock it into place. Brilliant. Batteries, batteries. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this should work. Battery. Battery. Isn't it working? Okay, now it is. Okay, and the screen. But you see, I mean, the screen itself seems to work. It's just the upper layer. I think we will now get to the interesting and scary part. You might ask, Markus, what do you mean by scary part? Well, the scary part, I mean, trying to, yeah, lift this foil from the screen itself without ruining it. Let me quickly stop the timer for a moment and take a moment to have to look up what the best way is to, yeah, remove this polarizer without damaging it. Okay, here I'm back again, and looks like we just need to get, yeah, a knife under this side, for example, and try to peel some of the foil away. Hope I'm doing it right. Never done this before, guys. Yeah, I think I just got it. Okay. It's a very strong adhesive. Scared that I would just break the glass of the screen. Try to use the table as some support. Maybe some heat will help. Let's use the hot air gun a bit and heaten it. So it's always a good idea when adhesives get a bit more heat to soften. It's just a bit worried that I'm not killing the LCD screen. I don't want to apply pressure on the screen, but it's very hard, yeah, get a grip. Slowly but steady, I would say. And you'll see here, the foil just brittling away. When you watch some videos about this topic, it looks always just a breeze, just like a breeze, but wow, this adhesive is really strong, man. Wow. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I think this here is the damaged polarizer. And you see under this, we see some, yeah, residue left over it. But we should be able just to remove it. Let's try that. For this I will use IPA. Whoops. I just dropped the batteries. That's 99% IPA, so isopropyl alcohol. I will soak a cotton swab and gently go over this area and try to remove the residue. And you see, it doesn't work that well. So maybe IPA isn't the best solution over here. Let me go to one of my shelves. And sometimes I used to rework some of plastic parts and stuff, mineral oil. And oil is also a good remover for adhesives. So let me grab a cosmetic tissue. It's also good to have them at hand for cleaning stuff, at least for cleaning sensitive stuff. Otherwise I will just use generic, what is it, kitchen tissues. And let's see if we can use this oil to remove this more easily. So yet I would say this doesn't work. No. Okay. This time this won't work. Yeah, let's see. Let me flood it a bit. And this is where this could be handy. Now let me take a new blade. Whoops, these are plastic blades, as you can see, like razor blades, but made of plastic. And let's re-soak the glue with IPA. And now try to scrape it away. That works better. I mean, you could also use a real razor blade, but that's much sharper, of course, and this will, this is more dangerous, of course. When you look closely, you see this is a ribbon. Oops. When you look closely, here we do have a ribbon cable, and when you use your razor blade, a real one, and you go over here, most likely you will cut in this ribbon cable and your screen is ruined. So be careful. Now let's see for the rest. It's removable with the tissue. Starts looking better. So but this process just takes time. Ooh, not bad. Grab a little glass that I got from any cleaning kit. I'm not sure what's going on with this upper corner, or not upper corner, but in this area over here. You see this? Yeah, I'm not sure. Scratch over there. I have no idea what it is. And I can't polish it out, so maybe I just broke it in this area. Okay, but before doing anything else, let's see if the screen works. So we heard a tune, but we won't see anything on the screen. That makes sense because there is no polarization layer. Let's grab one. Let's see. Oh yeah, I have to angle very weird. Probably like this. We put something in between so that we don't short something out. It's like magic, isn't it? So that's not working. Wait, turn it. It's good. And at one point, it's getting worse again. So, you know what? Let's put the game back in. Maybe it's easier to decide the direction. That's so cool. And this is the direction to go. So we'll roughly sketch it out. Oops, let's move this. Oops. What have I done? Have I shorted it now? It's working. Yeah, let's say something like this. Okay, but in the end I think it has to fit in here. Yeah, I think pre-cut polarizers are the most or the more better way to do this, because yeah, that's quite hacky what we are doing now. But yeah, it works. I think this would work. Let's put it roughly over here, over the screen. And turn it on. And we see that it works. Yeah. Nice. Okay. There must be some kind of protection layer on it, doesn't it? I mean, ouch. And I just... ouch. Yeah, okay. Protection layer from this side. Okay, I would say there's just one layer of protection on this. Okay, I'm still sad about this section over there. Yeah, that sucks. Thinking about reusing this adhesive here. But I think what I will do now is washing this stuff over here.
Welcome to the bathroom. We just need warm water, a bit of soap, that could be liquid soap, like in this case, or dish soap, that's maybe even better, and some soft brushes like a toothbrush, or this is some IKEA brush, and give it all a good scrub, and I will see you at my desk in a moment.
Okay, and here we have our washed parts. I will try to let it drip down a bit.
To make sure that my parts are completely dry, I will use my air compressor.
Now we might have a look under this shielding. We don't want rust on there. Not sure if it will rust, but I don't want to risk it. I hope the screws were in here. Oh man. Okay, let's use some cleaning agent for yeah, displays on screens and stuff. No clue what that is. That's a shame. Try to get rid of my marks. Okay. Let's put this in here, like so. I don't think that I will use the glue again. I will just push it in here. I don't think I do need the glue. Let's see if it works. Yeah, let's do it the other way around. I'm not sure it was in this direction. Okay, that doesn't make much sense. No. Let's get rid of this glue. Let's do an experiment. I do have these, yeah, it's like blue tack, and it feels like bubblegum a bit. It's normally used for, yeah, putting pictures on walls and stuff. But I think when we just use a little bit, it's also enough just to keep this here in place. It doesn't look that pretty, but yeah, I think that's not the key here. Let's get it under here. Like so. Brilliant. I hope all this works. We will see. Some dirt that survived our sink action. Let's put this here. This here. It's also a good idea to use IPA for these little conductive contacts to clean them. You see that's a little bit black, but that's normal, that's not grime. That's the conductivity of the pads. Just to clarify, I'm not a professional. I mean, you see, I'm just improvising some stuff and just doing that for hobby grade. And yeah, when I don't have the right stuff laying around, I will just be creative and try to make it work. If you appreciate it, I would love when you give me a thumb up for this video. And if you haven't subscribed already and you like this stuff, I highly recommend doing so, because I'm doing this stuff all the time. So thank you very much for your support, guys. So now let's go on. Let's first... Will we have everything? Oh yeah, let's clean the speaker. Nope. Nice. We have to rescue this extremely shiny ribbon cable. Not sure this is the right way of doing this. Let's move it like this. Love that. But the problem is that I should get this in here first. Could that be? Think so. Or not? Oh man. And now I'm struggling with screws. I hate that. No, I think it was okay what I'm doing here. I think those screws goes here. Does it make sense? No, it does not. Oh man. Was it here? In here? Wait a moment. Okay, so where is the nose? Now, I hope that's right. Now I will be punished in the comments, I think.
You placed the screws in the wrong holes. And now die.
Now the shiny ribbon cable. Perfect. Like this. Feels right. Okay, guys. Batteries. Oh, that's really stretchy, isn't it? Let's polish this a bit. And for polishing, it's a bit messy, this cloth, but it doesn't matter. I always use polyWatch. I'm pretty sure there are other stuff around that, yeah, does the same. It's, as the name says, for watches mainly, and you can use it for any plastic screen protectors, basically. Just put some on it, and now you see it's scratchy as hell. Let's try, we can polish it a bit. But you do need some elbow grease, I can tell you this. I'm not sure if I will... you have to be a bit careful when such fonts are directly on the glass. So you will also polish this out, of course. So we'll try to skip this area underneath, or at least a bit. I think there's still glue on it. So first we, of course, have to remove the glue. Uh-oh. Is that... what is it? It looks... it totally starts degrading. Oh man. I hope... or I... oh no. What the heck? Well, it looks horrible. It looks like... it feels really strange. Maybe the IPA ruined it now. Because IPA is, of course, yeah, aggressive to some kinds of plastics. And yeah, that was maybe a bit too fast. Just to pushing or slamming it on it. Okay, let's try the Polish approach. Okay, I will skip this part for now. But as you can see, it's miles better than before. But it could be even better with more elbow grease. Now let's put the game in. Let's see what that's for a strange game. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's see. Oh, it's a baseball.
And here we have it. 1 hour and 39 minutes. The only thing that's bothering me is the polish action of the screen. When you look closely, there is some anti-glare or whatever it is that I polished out, so it doesn't look good. Hey, psst, if you're into Japanese stuff, I do have another console in another video. I will link it there. And as always, happy tinkering!